Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CM for scrapping of sunset clause from Amended Tenancy Act IT policy to be out on 22nd May during IT industrialist meet. Government too slow on mining resumption formalities. It might take 2016 for actual operations to start, Miners Association head Nana Bandekar tells media. Road safety curriculum in school syllabus. 50% of fine money to be spent on safety awareness. Machine test better for motor vehicle license, plans government. Ambauli local slam police for being lax in probing Savarkota accident case. MLA interfering in case. Police arresting aggrieved party, says locals. And slaughtering at Goa meat complex halts. Meat crisis hit markets again. Repairs to go on for next few months. Get meat from outside, complex tells traders. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister feels that sunset clause from the Amended Tenancy Act should be removed. CM informed that he would consult his party colleagues and cabinet and move ahead with the removal of sunset clause. Government has also decided to come out with the fine-tuned IT policy. CM said the IT policy would be launched on 22nd May at IT industrialist meet in Goa.
ज्या पद्धतीन काही लोक हो विषय धडवून सरकाराक बदनाम करपाक सोदतात ताच्या खातीर काही चेंजीस करणे काही भागांत अशा भाटकारा कडेन बरे संबंध आसात त्यामुळे तोणे कुळूय लावंक ना त्यामुळे अशाचेर टेन्शन येवंक लागले हातूंतसून संबंध बिगाडटले अशे थोडेच आसात अर्थान त्यामुळे ह्यो गजाली लक्षांत घेवन म्हाका दिसता की जे सनसेट क्लॉज आमी घालून हे बेगीन एक्सपेडायट करा ताचेरसून जर सरकाराक बदनाम करपाचो प्रयत्न जाता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते सनसेट क्लॉज काडपाक हरकत ना ज्या हेतून मामलेदारा कडसून कोर्टान आमी म्हटले तो मेंटेन हांव म्हज्या सहकाऱ्यां कडेन उलयतलो हांव पक्षा कडेन उलयतलो आनी हो विशय फुडें वतलो बेगिनात बेगीन वतलो एमेंडमेंट्साक घालूं येता किंवा ताच्या पयलीं ऑर्डिनन्सूय काडपाक हरकत ना येता त्या 22 आनी 23 तारखेक ह्या क्षेत्रांतल्या नामवंत जे बरे प्लेयर्स आसात इन्वेस्टर्स आसात तांकां आमी गोव्यान आपयल्यात दुसऱ्या दिसा IT पॉलिसी आमी डिक्लेअर करतले IT पॉलिसींतसून आमकां काही इन्सेंटिव्स दिवंक जाय म्हणजे जर गुजरात हैदराबाद बेंगलोर ती जर राज्यां इन्सेंटिव्ह म्हणून स्वस्तात जमनी प्रोवायड करूं शकतात तुवें आनी चिंबल जी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन आसली ती IT पार्का खातीर ह्यो जमनी म्हणजे जश्यो 25,000 हांगा दर काडलेलो त्या पद्दतीन व्हरची गरज ना आतां पेडणे ऑफिशियल दर सरकारचो दर हो 1,000 भर आसतलो म्हाका दिसता आमी 50% कन्सेशन सुद्दां दिलें आनी 500 दिलो समजा गोंयान 500 रुपयान जमीन इज फुकट जमीन अशें म्हणणारे इन्वेस्टर्स आसात.
There is no sign of immediate resumption of mining operations. It might take 2016 for mining to start in the state. Government is going at snail's pace on mining. GCCI and Miner Association Chief Nana Bandekar expressed his anguish to the media. Nana Bandekar says 20% rebate on export duty is not enough for mining to sustain. He also maintained that delay in mining resumption will highly affect people and government. Mine owners will not be affected at all.
GCCI and Goan Miner Association head Nana Bandekar drops a bombshell. Lifting ban on mining is not enough. There is a series of formalities to resume actual operation of mining. Nana maintains it will take 2016 for mining to restart.
Nothing has been cleared according to me. We have to get IBM approval because the new capping has been fixed. Mining plan should take at least 2-3 months. We have to get pollution board approval. Then government of Goa, who owns the ore according to them, of the Supreme Court order. That has to be removed by them. If they don't remove that road, we cannot mine a single ton. That is our problem. So I feel the next 6 months nothing can happen. The government of Goa is delaying I don't know why they are delaying, because they must be not having proper authorities to do it. To sell 58 only to sell, it is not economical. We have to sell between average म्हणजे 50 ते 58. So we will be selling 54 grade. So 54 grade is today price and the cost and the export duty, whatever it is, 10%, we are still in loss.
Government and the mining dependents will be highly affected if mining does not start immediately. Mine owners have nothing much to worry.
For the mining companies are not losing anything, they are holding the mining leases. It may be someday we will start. But for the mining people who are working, 15,000 workers, it is a problem for them, and government will not get any revenue, because if we don't produce, we don't export. If we don't export, there is no royalty to be.
Nana Bandekar says increasing transport fees on trucks would be drastic in such crisis.
According to me, the peak period during exports, they were paid 8 rupees per kilometer. Then they shouted and they made it 12 rupees. So according to me, that peak period, if we could pay 12, now there is no peak period, how can we able to? Not at all, it should be 8 rupees, 7 rupees. That's all. 8 to 7 rupees is the correct rate.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Government is planning to implement road safety curriculum in school syllabus of 8th and 9th standard. Government also plans to utilize 50% of fine money on road safety awareness. Transport Director also believes that there should be less human intervention while giving driving licenses. Prudent conducted debate on increasing accident deaths in the state. Former Transport Minister Pandurang Madkekar also supported the idea of inculcating road safety attitude in children from school days.
Public education campaigns must increase. Now, my submission here is that government must put its money where its mouth is. I would like to say, out of the 5 crores, we are not even seeing the government spending 10% on road safety. 5 कोटी जर government collect करता नो फायनांतल्यान हांव कितें म्हणटा 10% to सायडीक काड.
We have moved to government की आमकां last year जे आमी फायन कलेक्ट केल्या ताची 50% फायन्स आमकां रोड सेफ्टी खातीर ह्या वर्साक अलॉट युटिलायज करपाक दिवचे आनी हाच्या खातीर टेक्निकल दितलो म्हाका अपेक्षा आसा.
My submission is that with due respect to Mr. Desai's efforts, which is very important, no doubt, political will must be there.
स्कूल लेवलांतल्यान ह्या आमचे जे हें आसा सगळे ट्रान्सपोर्ट हें आसा म्हणजे सिवीक सेन्स नॉट ओनली ऑन द रोड्स ऑन द अदर इन द अदर फॅक्टर्स
स्कूल लेवलावेल्यान
एज्युकेट
ताणी जे सांगलां की इश्कॉलांतल्यान हें सुरू जावपाक जाय तातूंतय म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता की आमी ह्या वर्साच्यान 99.9% हांव म्हणटा एज्युकेशनान 8वेक आनी 9वेक रोड सेफ्टीचेर 2 लेसन करपा खातीर बोर्डाक सिलेबस धाडलेलो आसा. म्हणजे कितें कितें आसपाक जाय ते लेसन फॉर्मान कन्वर्ट ताणी करपाक जाय, बोर्डाचें एप्रुवल म्हणजे ताचें जावपाक जाय. 99% तो जातलो आनी ना जालो जर आसत न्ही जाल्यार सुद्दां थ्रू स्कूल्स तांचे जे पळय एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर एक्टिविटीचे 2 तास आसता आठवड्यांतल्यान त्या 2 तासान आमी रोड सेफ्टीचे विशयीचे लेसन ते घेतात हें पळयतले. आय वूड प्रिफर अ लायसन्सिंग सिस्टम which is without any human touch. Now there are systems available and we are also very much interested in bringing those systems wherein the licensing would be without any human touch. Okay, like we have simulators, okay, where there is no intervention, human intervention, okay, or we are planning for a driver's testing track which will have sensors.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.